அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Welcome to JJ's Learning Academy. So this academy is mainly focusing on foreign students who are interested to learn Tamil. So today's class will be seeing about உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள். We have a total of 12 உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள். So உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள் will be known as vowels in English. All the vowels have short as well as long sounds. Now you learn the vowels or உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் with me. ஆ, ஆ, இ, ஈ, உ, ஊ, ஏ, ஏ, ஐ, ஓ, ஓ, ஔ. So these 12 letters are called as உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள். And we have one more special letter. It's called ஆய்த எழுத்து. This ஆய்த எழுத்து is pronounced as ak. So in this class we have learned 12 உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் and 1 ஆய்த எழுத்து. Thank you.